I am so tickled with this Topzee air fryer that I got. They actually sent it to me in exchange for telling you about it. And I'm really, really tickled with all the things that this little air fryer can do. It's actually a 2.1 quart air fryer. And my old one that I rarely use is a 5.8 quart. So this is substantially smaller, and it has all the functions I ever could think of using. And I'm really, really excited. First of all, let me give you an idea of how big it is. It's 10.25 inches tall. That's not very tall. It's also 8.25 inches. I'm going from side to side here. And then if you wanted to do it this direction to add the handle at it, that's another 2 inches. The cord itself is roughly 30 inches long. Now, this comes with two books. One of them is an instruction manual, and the other is an air fryer recipe book, which is pretty cool. There's lots of recipes and tips and things like that inside here. So it's a really nice tool to have. I want to show you on the front here what these settings are. So it comes with 7 different presets here. Pizza, drumstick, steak, a dehydrator, which is like incredible. That one really tickles me. Meatballs, fish or shrimp, and French fries. That's my favorite. I don't know. I like the pizza a lot also. Now, it also has these settings on the front here. This is kind of the control panel. You turn it on like that. You can see that it's actually spinning there, and you can change it from setting to setting by spinning this. You also can change the temperature by pressing this over here. Just tap on that, and then you can change the temperature. And the temperature is anywhere from, you can go from 140 degrees up to 400 degrees. And you also, if you're in the dehydrator mode, it will go from 120 degrees up to 215. So much lower temperature range if you're dehydrating things. The timer, if you tap that one more time, you'll go into timer, and the timer will go from 1 minute up to 60 minutes. Again, unless you're in the dehydrator mode, and at that point you go from 1 hour in 1 hour increments up to 12 hours. So all kinds of really great, easy to use settings. So I really, really love that. You're just going to pull this out. Now my old one, it had 2 different pieces here in that I would press a button and the basket would come up, and then the bottom was the tray. This one, the tray is one piece, and it has just this little, they're calling it a fryer tray, I believe. And what I like about this is that it's got some little silicone pieces on the sides here. So you're not going to scrape up the edges of this. That's brilliant. I love it. It sits in there really nice. And basically you can see this dips down here. So some foods you're going to fry, for instance, chicken, it's going to be sitting up here, and it will drip down into the bottom. So that will just catch whatever oils that are coming off the food. So you can cook things like chicken and things like that, and just, it will crisp it up. A lot of times if you just spray some type of an oil on across the top, that helps to get it crispier. It's also really great for like reheating pizza or things like that, to set it, you set it on that tray. You're never really going to cook without this tray in there, but it's really easy to take it out to clean it. Speaking of cleaning, you can put both of these pieces into the dishwasher. So you really can't get any easier. But it also is really easy just to clean it by hand as well. Just some warm soapy water and then rinse it. Overall, this is really such a great unit for someone that lives by themselves or just two people in the home. I love this. I'm so thrilled to have it.